another video. I am Adiah, but you can call me Didi. I'm giving myself a new nickname. Well, not me, a couple of people are giving me, so I'm just adopting it. So you can call me Didi, and I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. I've been in a rut for like so long, months, and I'll have a video explaining why. The video should already be up before this one. Actually, I just want to feel like the baby girl that I am, and I'm going to be taking you guys through all of it. So yeah, you guys, my skin is going through it. Like, I'm on my period now, so love that for us. Okay, just we love that for us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. We're back to posting. Yeah, enjoy the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys. Alright guys, so I never showed you guys, oh no I did actually. I showed you guys the end result of my hair. I almost a week though. So like since I got it done, I've not creamed it or anything because I wanted to do it in this video. But this is what the hair looks like. I really like it. So I want to show you guys the product I'm going to be using. But I'm going to start by using this bad boy. Alright guys, so I'm done creaming my hair, my scalp actually, and it's very good. So I'm going to be using the TCB Naturals leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil. Always give your product a good shake if they're like liquidy. Just like on the ends of the hair to define the curls. Jesus, let me see in coils. Are you saying that? Girl, that looks so cute. Oh, ooh, look at those babies. I know that's right. Alright guys, so we are in the bathroom now, and I want to put on a honey mask. As you can tell, my skin has been, yeah, so I want to put on a mask while I fix my nails. We're back in business, baby. Alright, so I'm going to be doing all my post-shower skincare, I guess. My face is already clean. I use this Vaseline lip therapy. So I'm going to start with this eye cream. It's from Estee Lauder. My face feels so good. Oh, I'm going to apply this oil from Tea Tree. I think avocado oil that I mixed inside, because you can see I'm breaking out like no man's business, so that usually helps. And you guys, that honey mask, oh my god, my skin, and then the scrub, my skin feels so soft. Alright, it's crazy. Then after that, I'm going to go in with this TM's Essential Moisturizer. You guys, I love this moisturizer so much. It's so thick, like it's so oh bro, and this can go such a long way. I really like it. Okay, so that's basically what I do for the most part, honestly, for my face. I'm about to do my edges now. So I'm going to be using this the Gorilla Snot. I know I never said glue. Gorilla Gel Jerry. What they hook my destiny to, Babaya. Okay, so for my body, I use this Nivea, and I really like it. I've used this cream for 4 or 5 years at this point. Then for deodorant, I'm more of a roll-on person than spray because I don't like the smell. Like, I don't like the way sprays are. They make me choke. And so I'm using this Nivea Pearl and Beauty, and so I'm gonna put that on my underarm. Then for the scent I'm going to be using this Lady Storm Love perfume deodorant body spray. This one kind of match my nails. This one gives me rich anti vibes, and I really like. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, I spray on my hair. I mean, not in, but just like, you know, so anybody who hugs me gets to smell it. It's a hack. If you want your perfume to stay all day, spray on your hair, or either spray on your hair or you get hair perfume. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this maintenance vlog. Honestly, I wanted to do my makeup, but I'm like, I don't know, I still might, I don't know. But if I don't, chill. Who gave you the right to be this pretty? Nobody. But I did it anyway, so yeah. Anyways guys, that's just it for this maintenance vlog. I'm really happy I did this. This is making me feel so good. Like, I feel so much better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.